H-145m, the new helicopter of the German Air Force. Its task, transport of Bundeswehr Special Forces in theater. Light and easily maneuverable, suitable for urban terrain, optimized for military purposes by Airbus. The H-145m can accommodate up to 4 fully equipped servicemen. The two 707 HP turbines bring it up to a speed of over 260 km per hour. It has a range of over 600 kilometers. The helicopter can be employed day and night. Airdropping is performed by means of ropes. The winch on the outside serves to recover people during rescue operations in all climate zones. Flares, hot decoys, divert infrared rockets from the H-145m. The M134, a 6-barrel minigun, supports the Special Forces during their mission. In total, the Bundeswehr has ordered 15 of the new helicopters from Airbus.
Simplicity, where mechanical joints are replaced by composite structure, lead to lower masses and reduced maintenance efforts.
5 blades means also less transfer of aerodynamic excitation from the rotor to the fuselage.
Also, it allowed us to introduce the newest technology, which means that we have separated the blade from the flex beam, and that makes it much easier to maintain or to repair in case of damage.
Our customers will really appreciate the new blade folding system, which is a lot simpler, and it will enhance the storage of the aircraft in confined areas.
What's great about this new rotor is that we can easily install it on any existing H-145 aircraft.
Airbus is a forerunner when it comes to develop secure connectivity solutions, enabling fast and efficient data transfer from the aircraft to a ground station for processing. Indeed, the WACS, Wireless Airborne Communication Server, has a lot of security features. It allows to transfer HMS, UMS, maintenance and FDCR data to a ground communication server.
Airbus H-145m is a twin-engine military helicopter, developed and manufactured by Airbus Helicopters. It is the answer to today's most demanding operations, for which high versatility, high performance and cost-effectiveness are needed. This high-performance, versatile, rugged and reliable helicopter can be equipped with a large range of equipment, and provides outstanding mission flexibility to military entities. It offers the crucial capability of delivering troops and materials with minimum delay, and can rapidly apply firepower to neutralize or destroy opposing forces. It also offers support for friendly forces in combat, and is ideal for acquiring information, interpreting and exploiting it. Considered as the reference in its civil version, for law enforcement organizations and military services, the H-145 is in service with the U.S. Army, which operate its UH-72A Lakota version. A key feature of the H-145M is the wide range of available optional equipment packages that can be rapidly installed and removed, based on the requirements of the mission. Within minutes, the aircraft can be reconfigured from troop transport with seats, to a search and rescue mission with rescue hoist and stretchers, or to an armed helicopter with a set of weapons and ballistic protection. It can be equipped with Airbus H-Force weapons system, an incremental, modular and cost-efficient weapons system that can be used on any military version of Airbus civil helicopter range. 3 different packages are available, from ballistic firing through helmet-mounted display, to ballistic firing through electro-optical system, or guided weapons firing. Contributing to its survivability, are self-sealing fuel tanks, ballistic protection and infrared suppressor, along with crashworthiness designed into the fuselage and seats. The electronic warfare system and chaff flare dispensers bring an extra level of protection in high-threat environments. It is equipped with a modern digital glass cockpit, it is night vision goggle compatible, and has a 4-axis digital autopilot that drastically reduces pilot workload. It is equipped with 2 Safran Ariel 2E engines, with dual-channel full-authority digital engine controls, and an upgraded transmission. Each engine produces a maximum takeoff power of 667 kilowatts. Its maximum speed is 240 km per hour, it has a maximum range of 638 km, and a maximum endurance time of 3 hours and 32 minutes. It can accommodate 2 pilots and up to 10 soldiers, and has an useful load of 1,900 kg. The price varies between $10 and $12 million, depending on configuration.
Airbus is happy to announce the entry into service of this latest H-145 variant.
Go ahead for track 03.
Roger, I have you loud and clear on this radio as well.
Special forces are entering in the building.
As a pilot, the ride qualities of this aircraft have noticeably improved compared to the previous variant. The performance is excellent. The handling qualities are excellent. It provides a really accurate piloting with a low workload even for pilots who are less experienced and pretty new in the helicopter world. They will find that this helicopter provides a really stable platform and they will enjoy flying it.
Truly, for all the missions with the 145, the best keeps getting better. H-145 is already an increasingly popular light twin aircraft for private and business aviation.
It is also known for its safety and the new asset we are going to provide to the market is an additional 150 kg of useful load. We do so because the 145 market is calling for such increase of useful load, and the answer has been enabled by a new 5-bladed main rotor.
Close air support immediately.
Red Tracker 3, that one 6. Splash, target destroyed, off right.